Well, Farrell.
What's wrong?
No, nothing. I just
Obviously
feel weird.
something's wrong. You're acting all weird.
Well, here's the thing. I had a best friend, okay? You know who I'm talking about. But then you met him, and now you're saying he's your best friend, and he's not. He's my best friend.
Look, we are grown men, so I'm not going to have a big argument with you over a best friend, okay? Because the fact of the matter is, this guy is my best friend.
Well,
okay?
Then why did we blow up model battleships together with firecrackers?
I don't know. Why did he and I stay up all night watching Talladega Nights 4 times in a row when he said I was his favorite character from it? Because he's my best friend, maybe. Ever think of that?
Let me ask you this. Who keeps an image of him close to his heart? Me. I carry this wherever I go. Airports, airport security, bus trips.
You call that close to your heart?
Yes.
Okay, you want to know close to your heart? How about getting his name tattooed on your heart? All right? That's commitment. That's not some picture that you put down after you talk about it.
That's a bad tattoo. You went to a bad tattoo place. You know what? I'm going to call him right now.
Don't you dare.
And see if he wants to throw tomatoes at
Don't you
cars.
dare.
Yeah.
He's my best friend.
He's not your
You
best
don't have
friend.
the right to...
He's my... Don't... Get off my phone!
I love you!
He doesn't mean it.